Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelsey K and I am back with another video. I still don't know if I want to say that, but as you can tell by that title, in today's video, me and my family are going to be traveling to Gulf Shores. I've been there a couple times on my channel, but we're going to be traveling back to Gulf Shores to see the light boat parade. I never did that before, so I'm really excited. Yeah, my hair look kind of bad. I tried the curl last night and I don't think I did a good job. But anyways, besides the point, y'all, I had on a different outfit earlier. I just feel like I was doing too much, and then it's real wet outside, so I just feel like I need to put on this hoodie and just be basic. And as you can tell, it says basic on it, so I mean, right, so I'm just trying to be basic today. Enjoy the day. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next clip, I guess. So y'all, we was just in the McDonald's drive-thru and my mom pulled up because she was trying to fix her coffee or whatever. So I had my music in and this man just roomed past us on the other side, busted and stuff, saying that he had to go to work. So my mom just yelling out the car, you. Mom, tell him how you feel. Him. We have a good while ahead of us, so yeah guys, stay tuned. And yeah, she's still fussing. Sorry if the lighting is a little bad. My knee really hurts. But this is what I have on. This basic sweatshirt and these black jeans with my Vans. So yeah guys, I'm about to go in here and use the restroom. I'll show you guys how we look in just a second. Sitting at the table, about to order something to eat. I really don't know what I'm getting, but I'm gonna make up my mind pretty soon. It's really cute here. I'm gonna try to record some so you guys can see, but I'm trying to talk over there because I don't need that. Look at the background. I don't know if y'all can see. Hold up. So guys, I think I want what I said I was gonna get? Oh, I think I want the grilled chicken quesadillas. I'm gonna play it safe guys since I've never been here before. I don't think they're eating. I'm gonna be the only one eating. So yeah, I'll show you guys my food and everything once it gets here. If you guys didn't know what I'm doing or you didn't really remember from the beginning of the video, like I told you guys, I'm in Gulf Shores, Alabama, and we came here to watch the light boat parade. We've never did that before, so hopefully it goes good. And yeah, that'll start about 4:30. It's currently 1:23, so we have a couple hours until it starts. Of course it has to be dark, so yeah. Guys, we are leaving. Where we about to go, Ma?
We're about to go past by.
We're about to go to the Hangout. If you guys don't know, that's like a little chill music place. They have concerts there. Well, they had them pre-COVID. I really don't know what they have now. Yeah, we're about to go check out over there, and I'll see you guys there. We're at the beach. And yes, we have our mask on, but I'm really not around nobody, so I really feel like I should just take it off right now, just so I look less crazy. But let me see. But yeah, y'all, we're at the beach. Look. It looks so dark that way. Oh my gosh. We drove past the Hangout, and it was so empty. I don't even think it was open, so we just decided to keep going, and we came to the beach. So yeah, this was really just a little spontaneous trip. It was nothing major, nothing planned, and it's not even really a trip, it's just a day trip or whatever. Well, I guess it is a trip. This is basically what we're doing. The light boat parade starts at 4:30, like I told you guys about a million times. So yeah. We litty! He a vibe killer.
This shit was so funny though.
It was funny.
Oh my god. This shit made me
It was
get goosebumps.
funny.
This shit made me get goosebumps.
He always gotta take the fun out of stuff. It wasn't even meant to be serious. I don't even say we litty. It was just meant to be funny. He's a buzzkill. Mr. Buzz. But yeah, y'all, I'm just really being sickening. Now we're at Pink Pony. I don't know if you guys can hear me, the music, so yeah. So guys, now we're leaving Pink Pony. The lighting is horrible because it looks like it's about to rain. And we're about to be headed back to Lulu so that we can get us a good spot for the parade. So yeah, that's basically what we're about to do. And then after that, we're probably just gonna go home, and that'll be it.